Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a simple and updated method to share your Facebook profile photo. Whether you want to show off your latest picture, share it with friends, or post it elsewhere, we've got you covered. Follow these easy steps to ensure your profile picture is shared seamlessly. First, let's get started by opening the Facebook app on your Android device. If you have Facebook installed, you can easily find the app icon on your home screen or app drawer. Once you have it open, look toward the top left corner of your screen. There, you'll notice your profile icon. Go ahead and tap on your profile picture. This action will bring you to your profile. Now that you're on your profile page, it's time to tap your profile picture once again. A new interface will pop up showcasing your profile photo in detail. To access the sharing options, tap on See Your Profile Picture. This will open the picture in full view, allowing you to check it out closely. Next, look for three dots located at the top right of the screen. This is where the magic happens. Tap on those three dots, and you will see a menu open up with various options. From this menu, select the Share External option. And there you have it. By following these 6 easy steps, you can share your Facebook profile photo with anyone you wish. It's that simple, and now you can spread your profile pic joy across other platforms easily. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.